this is an example of a property that I just bought. And, you go in here, you go, okay, there's no flooring. So the way the agent sold this property is it has to be cash only because they ripped the carpet off. I mean, the old asbestos tiles are here. You got this kind of, you got the acoustic ceiling, you've got the older fireplace, everything's kind of disheveled here. This is the kitchen. Everything about it, most people are going to look at this and go, oh, gross. It's old. We got to demo everything. We got to tear everything out. You go kind of walk over towards this way here. You literally have your blue bathroom tiling, which is kind of nasty too. And they even, to match over here, have, where is it? There it is, a blue toilet. You can kind of see the blue toilet bowl right there.
Beautiful.
I mean, just everything about it is just nasty. This is money to me. And the reason it is because this place we bought for $465,000. We're going to put about $45,000 into it. And that's scraping the ceilings, flooring, removing the wallpaper, painting it, new light fixtures, outlets, door handles, a couple new vanities. We're going to glaze the tiles in the bathroom, refloor. And then, 40 will be gone after we repaint. We'll actually keep the kitchen cabinets and we'll repaint these instead. Because initially people look at this and they go, ew, gross, look, they're terrible. I look at this, I go, this is hard wood. This is nice quality stuff ready to go. As long as it's not water damaged or broken or whatever, I can make this work. Over here, for example, we cut in a range. So we put a little 18-inch cabinet here and cut in a range right here. So now I've got my oven and my cooktop and I'm ready to go. So, that's the kind of stuff I look for. When I see that, I go, I can play that game all day long. I'll keep doing that. So and maybe it's just because a lot of people go in there and they go, well, I'm going to have to spend $150,000 on it. I look at it and go, I only need to spend 40 on it. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Well, you're buying a problem. And the problem is it's ugly.
Yeah.
Right? That's it. It's not a
hey,
horrible
whose house
problem.
Are you saying it's ugly? Yeah. No, you're 100%
yeah,
right.
And that problem, it looks worse than it is, right? And you got some experience, so what you're seeing is, okay, this is a facelift. I just need to go put makeup on this thing. That's not a very big deal.
Yeah.
So I love the fact that you just showed us a deal that makes a ton of sense. There's a ton of equity in there. It scared everybody else away because it wasn't pretty. Well, you can make it pretty. That's like the best problem to solve.
Yeah, exactly. I'm going to see if I can, just probably take a second. I'll see if I can pull up a partial after that I have, but if not, no worries. But basically what I described to you is what we did. And yeah, exactly. Maybe it's just because I look at these deals and I don't go in there and I say, my favorite thing to buy, and this is my definition of sort of your wedge deal. And it's very much like this deal. I go in, I open up, like everybody else, they're looking at all the nasty stuff and the smell and the lack of carpet and stuff like that. I look at it, I open the furnace closet, I go, brand spanking new furnace. I like this. I look at the roof, I go, that roof is pretty good. We're going to put on new ridge caps for $1,800. That roof's going to kick it for another 10, 15 years. And you look at the foundation, all the expensive things are good. Grounded electrical, the expensive stuff is good. And, the cosmetic stuff is, I think, what people dramatically overvalue, and that creates an opportunity to even get on the market deals for a dramatic discount.